Guys, IDEX holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now. So it is the last of month. In every coin I found positive from a morning, guys. From morning I check all the update of altcoin. So I found a lot of coin starting positive, guys. It seems like that you can see here if we talk about the IDEX. So the IDEX change is also going positive, 8.40% positive changes occur in the IDEX. Absolutely, I'm very happy to see the positive changes in the crypto market, guys. So guys, it's time to make profit. It is a profit time, guys. Alert, alert, alert. Anyways guys, before starting this video, if you are new in my channel, click the subscribe button right now for more news and update videos, guys. Now guys, the right now price of IDEX in the market is about 0.3619 USD dollar. That is the right now price of IDEX in the market, guys. Now guys, a lot of people are investing in IDEX. You know what? Why? Due to the positive changes, and as I predicated, IDEX, that a lot of possibilities that at the last of September the price pump, and now you can see here today is 24 September. That's why the price start pumping, and absolutely guys, I hope that for a long time you will enjoy this pump, guys. Now trading volume is negative, but very soon you found the trading volume again positive, guys, because the people understand the future of IDEX. Now you can see our market cap, fully diluted market cap, everything are going positive in the market, guys, and higher possibilities that they continue this jump to the last of September, guys. So that's why guys, due to this, I recommend for you to please hold, guys. Now you can see here, from here gradually the price of S&P start jumping, so the IDEX. So now the purpose of making this video is just that if you want to buy, I recommend for you buy now. If you want to sell, so I recommend for you don't sell it. If you really want to sell, so I suggest you that sell to the last of September, guys. And if you want to hold, that's too good, guys. Hold for a long time. How much you hold, same like that, you get a high profit, guys. Anyways guys, remember that I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to buy, sell or hold any crypto, any coin, so please do your own research. Thanks for watching. Subscribe now.